Hello, good morning, namaskar. I am Nirmoy on behalf of Sri Aurobindo Society. Welcome you all in this great idea sharing platform that is ZIIEI, that is Zero Investment Innovations for Education Initiatives. Today I am again back here to share with you all a very innovative idea, that is self-created dictionary from the state UP, chapter 13, English of class 5. Let's see how this idea can be innovative for us. The innovation is to enhance the vocabulary of the student based on the concept associated to it chapter through the formation of a dictionary in due course of time. Then how this activity need to be, or this idea need to be implemented in the classroom, let's see. And what are the concepts that can be covered through this idea, that is the vocabulary, adjectives, pronouns, etc. So the revision of the vocabulary, subjects and pronouns through execution of self-created dictionary. Then here before implementation of the idea, the teacher need to make sure that the concepts that has been asked by from the students or to create a self dictionary, those concepts need to be covered in the classroom. That is, reading, building, and explanation of the story and various concepts have been done before providing the students in the with the self-created dictionary. Now certain instructions need to be given from this educator end, that is educator should give a homework that any of the poem as per their choice they have to read at home, note down the difficult words in their old notebook, and write their meaning in that same notebook. So in this case they can consult with their family members to for the meanings to look them up in the dictionary. Write their meanings against the words and in the notebook. For example, fresh, that is raw or natural; tune, the beat of a song; okay, gentle, that is kind or calm. Then the activity need to be concluded by appreciating the students and motivating them to explore new words from the poem. What kind of learning outcomes we can achieve? That is, through this innovative idea implementation, the following learning outcomes can be achieved. They are: answers coherently in written or oral form to questions in English based on day-to-day life experiences, etc. They recites and share English songs, poems, games, riddles, stories, etc. So, and along with the use of meaningful grammatically correct sentences to describe and narrate incidents and to answer many questions. So this idea acts as a tool to enable the pedagogic practices for promoting the thinking process, decision making, and critical reflection as discussed in NCF 2005. And here the duration of the whole activity that need to be completed in the classroom is of 20 minutes, and the teacher can make it flexible as per the availability of the students in the classroom. So the pupil-teacher ratio should be constant at 30:1, and this poem is suggested to be taught in the month specified in the textbook guidelines. So likewise, you can get access to many innovative ideas if you download the app of Innovative Pathshala, and make sure to subscribe our channel on ZIIEI to get future updates accordingly. Thank you very much for listening to my video.